This video is made for educational and entertainment purposes. Do not repeat anything that you'll see in this video.
I'm just so nervous here because that's oh my god. Hey everyone, Michael here, and I'm a crypto enthusiast, and I'm a huge fan of TON because this coin has a huge potential to go to the moon because it didn't show any growth yet compared to Bitcoin. I decided to put to the test other ways to actually get some. Here I came across some crypto-related games, and I was kind of interested. So I'm gonna go here. This is my Telegram group. You can pause the video, by the way. But before we move on any further, I'd like to say that it's just my personal experience. I'm recording this for my friends. It's just for fun. So I don't recommend doing anything. Keep that in mind. It's just for fun. I'm gonna rewatch it in a few weeks and just have fun. So I'm gonna adjust some settings. Give me just a sec. It's not gonna take long. Yeah, just like that. And now I'm gonna double check the data here. Yeah, looks right. And now I'm gonna wait till it's loading. It's not gonna take long, I guess. Yeah. And actually, yeah, done. Great, because I'm itching to start playing actually, because like I said, this gameplay is pure fun. Wait a sec. It says limit reached. Okay. So I'm gonna go with some of the requirements here. So give me just a sec. I'm just gonna do something about it. Okay. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna do something. So give me just a sec, guys. I'll try to be real quick. And I'm gonna go back to playing the game. So. This. Okay. Then this thing. This amount, that's gonna be enough. Yeah, looks right to me. Okay, it's processing. Come on. It shouldn't take long. Come on. Yep, it's done. So now I'm gonna go back to the game. And yep, it's already here. It's already here. Yeah, I mean, here the fun part actually begins because I'm gonna start playing. So now I'm gonna open the same tiles as on that picture and just like that. Yeah, this interface is something. I mean, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Okay. Now I'm gonna open just like that. Yeah, it's a pure fun. I'm totally enjoying this. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. So now I'm gonna continue playing and having fun here. I'll tell you what, this is even more beautiful because this gameplay is something else. I mean, I'm totally loving this gameplay. That's fun. Yeah, that's just marvelous, and I'm happy to see this. Okay, so now comes the most important part because I'm just gonna send it back right here because, yep, that's the whole point. So now I'm gonna, it's submitted. That's just amazing. Okay, so now comes the most exciting part because I'm literally shivering. I'm gonna refresh this thing. It should take, I don't know, maybe 3 minutes, maybe faster. But I mean, I'm just so nervous here because that's oh my god, it's already here. I couldn't expect that, but that's just how it is. That's just how it is. I mean, I'm totally amused. I don't know what to say. I'm totally speechless. I mean, all the details are here. It's there. So thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next one.